Yeah, Harpal.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
And I got email from them. They said they made it.
Okay. So
So,
they had created a character.
yes,
Okay, fine.
I did not check it, but they mentioned it.
Yeah. Let's check it. You check it already?
No, I did not check.
Okay, fine. So what is that IP?
IP is मैं आपको वो कर रहा हूँ 183 123 at the last.
This one?
No, 123.
One.
Third one on
Okay.
from the top. GRC at the rate 321.
GRC at the rate?
321.
Okay. 321.
I asked him 10 times. I think he was not confirmed by himself.
Oh.
This is a master one.
Our client is 78, no?
Yeah. No, I think just question is RFC is a वो है मतलब it is independent. I mean cross client or what?
Yeah, cross client.
Okay, 478.
Okay. Password same?
Same.
321, right?
Yeah.
So SM159. This
And
one.
he said yes. Is this is? I guess I should check it before. But that's fine. The connection test.
So same Morgan Security, what they have given. What happened?
App user. Okay.
SAP user saved.
Connection test. Oh wow. Remote log on. Oh wow. Very nice. Yeah. Now you can do from here SM59.
Yes.
Very nice.
What is our e-health?
Uh, it is
GRC, no?
ECC to GRC.
Yeah. Connector is GRC.
ECC to GRC. The
Is
name is. The name is that.
where?
Like you saw. He did not give me the technical name. He just gave me the description. Yeah, this one.
Yeah. GRC.
473. No. No, above. ECC to GRC.
No, that is 473 client.
Yeah, then we can also do the same thing, right? We can copy it.
No. It will go to 473 client.
I understand. Just try it. At least if it is working, then it's good. We can make the same thing, right?
See here, what will happen? If we
I know it will go to 473, but at least if it is working, then we can make the same thing, right? Just remote login. Remote login. Yeah, it is working. See, so this is good. Now we can make our own like this, right?
okay, SAP user. Okay, fine.
At least it is working.
Yeah, it is working.
That is the important thing.
Okay, here I'll check what is the like.
Now they have the same whatever I put. Yeah, we can.
We have to check now, like what are the authorizations they have given.
I didn't open it.
Service user.
Service. Yeah. So that you don't need to change the password every time. Rules. No profiles at all. That's simple. Then we can do the same thing.
So now we have to create a SAP user.
Before that, do you want me to take the screenshot of that? The
Which one?
SM50 RFC destination. Can you click on the second? Yeah, click on that.
From
So that
ECC.
yeah, here. Yeah. So technical name, technical settings. I'm just taking the screenshot. Technical setting.
Same.
Yeah, same है, right? So उसका क्या है? Actually, I took it so that we can make the same thing. ये तो GRC का हो गया ना?
Yesterday also same thing we have given.
But service नहीं किया था.
Yeah, okay, only that is
Okay.
service they have given, but see, normally we can give.
No, but instance number is not 02 over there, right?
No, 02 only we have given.
No, for ECC to GRC.
See, for ECC or GRC also we have given same, no? See, here we check now.
I think.
In ECC we went to SM51.
Yeah. Actually, I think it is a 00. That's what I'm asking. So that we can simply copy it.
See. 02 only.
No. Can you see SM59, please? It is a ECC, right? Yeah. No. Just go to SM59.
SM59.
Yeah. फिर कंफर्मेशन हो जाएगा ना फिर.
SM59 में.
Yeah. Web connection. ECC to GRC.
ECC to GRC, right?
I also ECC to down. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one. GRC CLNT. See, that I wanted to confirm. 1 second, I'm taking a screenshot.
See, this is for 473. That is GRC system.
Yeah.
This instance number is GRC system.
GRC. That I'm saying that it is not 02. It is 00.
No. That is not 02 because
Yes.
Separate servers. No.
Yes. I think server is same. Oh no. Host is same.
Yeah. Host number same.
Yeah. Okay. अच्छा मुझे एक चीज बताओ कि sapgrc.sap.com how you find that target host?
This is.
Yeah.
See, normally if you go like SM51.
Can you go there?
You can find out. Okay. SM51. See, this is host name.
So how do you know it is a .sap.com?
So that is like, say, for example, they might have given that only in the what you can say. See, while installing operating system. Okay.
No, how do you know that I'm saying?
Yeah, host name is nothing but computer name, computer name, and
Oh,
we have installed server.
host name, right? Right? Okay, okay. So then computer and right click
Yes,
on
yes.
this, go up. Yeah, yeah. Properties. No, properties.
Yeah, properties.
No, it's not.
Okay.
I think, yeah, that's fine. It's okay.
See.
No, it's not. It's not. I
No.
think if you go to the status, you'll find it. System status over there. Not here in SAP, but we are okay. That's fine. If you go to the here in the status, please click.
See, I think, see, this is the, see, server is not here in this
Yeah, you're right. So
so
it's
that
not
is
this.
it.
Yeah. No, but how do you know it?
It
Or you didn't realize it. You simply put SAP GRC and it came by self, right?
no, how
Just
we realize the host name. That's what you are asking, right?
yeah. How do you? Did you know before that it is SAP.com? No,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Yesterday we
Okay,
checked.
we
No,
did it. Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
yesterday we did it. No, so by going to
Okay.
go to
Yeah,
SM51.
yeah. If you go to SAP status, yes.
Yeah, same it would be.
GRC. Okay.
See, what is SM only?
So what system? This is GRC, right?
Yes, yes, SMGRC is the host name.
No, understand. This is GRC client, right? That's why the instance number is 00.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Let's go ahead and we will go to 478. We need to create a user, SAP user. We can make the same thing.
Yeah, yeah, that's what you have to create.
And is this possible? Can I go through whatever you did before? Can you give me the access, please?
Whatever I go through.
No. Can you give me the access so that I can work on that?
Yeah,
This
yeah, okay, okay. That's not a problem. I will give you. So, where I can give you. Yeah, okay.
yeah. So this is GRC 478. This is ours,
Yeah.
and this is कहाँ गया वो? Oh, where is that? GRC.
Yeah, the 002 means ECC.
No, understand. Where is that?
Which
कहाँ
one?
गया?
Scroll up, scroll up.
There is no scroll down.
No, no, up, up. In the SAP screen,
Oh,
scroll up.
अच्छा. Okay, like this. Okay, I understand. This? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, got it. Okay.
Yeah,
So this is our ECC and this is our 478. This is ours,
yeah.
478, right? Okay.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So,
Safio doesn't exist.
yeah, let's
Tell
create.
me. You want to say something?
No, no, I'm just said just create. But see,
Yeah.
service user type is not related to that RFC connection. So why what? Normally we can use dialogue or communication, but
I think we do service because it doesn't, the password is
yes, that is
invalid.
only password
That's
never
it.
expires. That is the only
Yeah.
advantage.
It also has CP new, right?
Yes.
Okay. This is there in the GRC. We can do the same thing here. Oh, it is already have that,
No,
right?
no, go to SM59.
No, it might also have that by default.
Yes.
Oh, we don't know the password. That's the issue, right?
Yes.
What should we do?
No, no, just create RFC from
सर जी
EC.
हमको नहीं मालूम ना इसका पासवर्ड.
Huh?
We don't know the password of this SAP user.
No, no, no. This is like we don't see.
We
We
need
are,
it, sir. जब हम 478 से 800 बनाएंगे, तो what password will you put for it?
yes, yes, right.
Okay, let me do one thing. I'll create one more. Uh, I'll make
Create another user, right?
yeah in GS ताकि same हो जाए.
Mm.
Uh, we already have GRC RFC, right?
See, like
Harpal.
already RFC creation is created, no? From 473 to
Yeah.
800. Same we can use.
Okay.
We
So
can
you
use
want me
it.
to do SM59? Is that you want?
No, from ECC to 478 we have to create.
हाँ ठीक है.
We can
Sir,
use already RFC connection is created, right? From 473 to 800.
yes.
So that same RFC destination we can use in 478 also.
Okay. So
Okay.
what should I do?
So now we create from ECC to 478.
नहीं लेकिन ये लेकिन काम नहीं कर रहा ना सर. Remember yesterday it was not working.
Yeah, yesterday
Yes.
that's what we are seeing now. How they have created in the same way we are creating now. We just creating user ID SAP user in 478.
Hmm.
By using that user ID, we will
Yes.
create RFC connection.
Okay. GRC RFC. It was the GRC
No, no,
RFC.
no. Why?
Okay. What do you want? Please tell me. Where should I go?
If you go on SM59, okay, you are in GRC, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So you want to create connection from 478 to ECC, right? So
Yes.
that is already there. We can use that.
Okay. एक मैं इसको नोट कर लूँ. ECC comment. It was there, right? Yes. One second. I'm just noting down. ECC client 800. Okay. Now this is 47. This is already there, right?
Yeah.
So we don't need to do anything here.
No. Click on remote login.
Yeah, it was working.
Yeah, it will go to that
Yes.
800, right?
So this is pretty good.
So
Yeah.
it is there. So
Yeah.
we don't
Yes.
need to create. So here from here we have to create.
Right.
Yeah.
And they use SAP user, right? I'm just seeing it. I'm just seeing it. Okay. This is already fine.
Yeah, this is already fine.
So this is cross client. That's why it is there, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now we'll go there. We have to create here.
Yes, yes. You have to create here.
So we already have
Yeah,
here
no, no,
the
no, not here. You
ECC.
have to create SAP user in 478.
Yeah, it's already there, right?
Yeah, it is already there. Here, no need to create any user.
I'm just doing the service.
Okay, okay.
Just okay. This is there and role profile. Okay, this is fine. This is so sir. We don't need that. It's not right.
Yeah, yeah, we don't need this. That's what I am saying.
I'm deleting it then. Okay.
Okay, okay, delete. No problem.
Basically, we need on GRC side.
Yes, yes.
So I'm going to GRC.
Okay.
Author GRC RFC user. Okay. And profile is there. Okay, that's good, right?
Yes.
Okay. It's not deleting yet. ECC taking so much time for ECC. Huh. They didn't compile it. I'll tell them to compile once.
Yeah.
Okay. What was our
Yesterday we have created now one.
वही मैं दे देख रहा हूँ.
Yes, yes. Below. Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, that one.
Instance is 0, right?
Yes, 0. Check that user ID password.
Yes.
And client.
GRC, RFC, user.
Yeah.
Is that? Yeah. I see. User, client, 478.
Yes.
That's it. Very nice. So it is service boss. Yeah, everything is fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm checking now. We did. No, we have to make we already made it connections, right?
Yes.
Okay, we have to run the SUPC, right?
Yeah.
Did you do that SUPC?
No, I didn't do it. I think yesterday we done this.
We did it?
Yes.
Okay, let's check. It will show us GRSA and generate automatically. Yeah, we did it.
Yes.
And we created the user, right?
Yes.
So the user, we put all the GRSA, right? SAP GRC.
What is GRC user for, right?
Very nice. Okay, this is fine. Okay, the next is we have to do backend integration, right?
Yes. Connector.
We already created the connector, then maintain the connection type.
Yeah.
Okay. Connection type.
No. Go to that. Yes, common components.
Yeah. Integration framework. Maintain connection. Here is a maintain connector, right? Okay.
1 second.
Okay.
हेलो मैं वो फोन किया, वो फोन नहीं उठाया। नहीं नहीं, आपको मैं ये भेज देता हूँ ना, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, लिंक। लिंक आप इंस्टॉल किए हो जूम इन? नहीं नहीं नहीं, मैं देखो, मैं इंस्टॉल करके मैं लिंक भेज देता हूँ, आई हैव टू नोट इट। लिंक भेजने का जरूरत नहीं यार, वो गूगल में जाके जूम इन करो, वो लिंक आ जाएगा। क्या वो कुछ सेटअप कर देगा? हेलो, साइड अप कर देगा? तो मैं अभी फोन करता हूँ, अगर वो आया तो मैं आ, क्या बोलते हैं, फोन फोन ठीक है, वो इंस्टेंट को मैं करता हूँ फोन। अगर वो आ रहा तो मैं आपको बता दूंगा, आप लिंक उसको भेज देना, मैं मेल आईडी देता हूँ, वो ज्वाइन हो जाएगा। क्या बात? Yeah, yes, yes. अभी डॉक्टर के पास जाएगा। ओके। कितना? ओह, did orthopedic. Orthopedically, you better go to that hospital. What is that? मैंने वो हॉस्पिटल का नाम बोल गया था मैं। किम्स का पीछे रहते हैं वो, गुरुनाथ रेड्डी बोल के एमडी है उसका। किम्स किम्स है ना, आप उसका मिनिस्टर रोड में। हाँ वही किम्स, उसका पीछे रहते हैं, ये उसका पीछे गली में रहते हैं, गुरुनाथ रेड्डी बोल के। हाँ, कुछ तो नाम होगा यार, कुछ तो नाम आई होगा ना है, मैं भूल गया था। ठीक है, मैं कल तक मैं आपको फोन करता हूँ। हाँ? हाँ, नहीं वो डॉक्टर का नाम याद आया, वो हॉस्पिटल का। ठीक है, दो दो दे दो, 5 मिनट दे दो मेरे को, मैं रिपोर्ट करता हूँ। श्योर श्योर, ओके भाई, ओके। क्या क्या हुआ हरपाल?
No, waiting.
Yeah. I'm
Okay.
back.
Yeah. So basically we there connection type definition it is SAP,
Yeah.
right? We're going to define connectors
Okay.
and making the new entry. So target connector is a ECC.
EC7
तो
CLNT.
सर इसमें ये क्वेश्चन है कि अब जैसे ये है अ, ये तो खैर EACC का है ना, सॉरी। अब हमको ये देना लॉजिकल सिस्टम देना पड़ेगा या RFC देना पड़ेगा ECC का?
Yeah, logical system is nothing but RFC destination.
तो टारगेट कनेक्टर क्या हुआ?
Yeah, target connector is nothing but target system, target client logical system है.
ओके, तो क्या होगा?
वही है EC7 CLNT 800.
ओ, इसका मतलब जो यहाँ पर डिफाइन किया GRC में वी
Right.
डिफाइंड इट
Yes, yes,
RFC
yes.
इज नॉट लिंक टू दिस, राइट? जो वट एवर इज द लॉजिकल सिस्टम इज
No,
नॉट, राइट?
no, same, same. See, what I am saying is RFC destination would be logical system name of the target client.
लॉजिकल सिस्टम,
Name of the target client.
सो दिस इज टारगेट क्लाइंट
Yes.
800, तो इसका ये होगा लॉजिकल सिस्टम, ये होगा
हाँ
क्या?
वही है RFC destination.
सो वी कैन
GRC
पुट,
में ये
हाँ
ही
हाँ,
लॉजिकल डेस्टिनेशन होता है GRC में.
okay, so you are saying I should put ECC client 800,
No, no, no,
is that?
not ECC. I think.
So this is ECC, okay?
No, no.
But
See, what we have given is EH7. See,
नहीं सर, यहाँ पर जो RFC दिया ना ECC दिया है
where
यहाँ पर SM59 में,
SM59 में देखो.
ये दिया ना ECC client 800 GRC to ECC, तो ये देना है कि वो देना है?
No, ये वो देखो हो जाए. वही देना है. RFC
Yes.
डेस्टिनेशन नहीं देना है.
तो ये तो हमने बनाया था ना, ये तो नहीं है, राइट?
यही हम बनाए हैं भाई.
नहीं यहाँ
No, no, no.
GR
This is not
no,
our creation.
not our question.
Yes. See, our creation is something else.
ये GRC है, ओके?
Yeah.
तो GRC में तो हमने कुछ नहीं बनाया. रीजन इज बिकॉज दिस इज ECC क्लाइंट इज बाय डिफॉल्ट दे मेड इट, राइट?
Yes, yes. See, वो मेड इट उसका बात छोड़ दो.
अच्छा, ओके.
आप अपन जो बनाया अभी सक्सेस हुआ ना वो देखो.
GRC में कि ECC में?
GRC में.
सर जी, GRC में हमने कुछ नहीं बनाया.
नहीं.
हमने ECC में RFC बनाया है, ECC में, फ्रॉम ECC टू GRC, राइट?
Yeah, GRC. Yeah, some we just used that, right? Yes, yes,
हाँ, वही मैं कहना चाह रहा हूँ, राइट?
yes, yes. Okay. वही देना. Because
कौन सा देना? ये ECC क्लाइंट 800?
yes, yes.
ओके, वही मैं पूछ रहा हूँ. ओके, target connector is whatever you defined on a GRC site that we have to give, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Connection type SAP.
Source connector क्या देना?
Source ये भी दे सकते हैं. इसी CLNT 800. Logical port source.
Like this?
SS.
दो
So,
तीन
क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Maximum number of background work process.
2 or 3?
Though based on our number we can give.
Okay. So sir ji, मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि target connector is the RFC connection which we defined on GRC side from GRC to ECC, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, and we have to give the same thing, source connector and logical port, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now save it.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes, yes, correct.
Okay. Now we have to go to connector group, right?
Yes,
If we
connector groups. Define connector groups.
Not right. Different connector group. Okay, connector group are already there.
We
SAP
can use
R3.
that as SAP R3 LT.
Yes. Okay.
So assign connector groups, assign connectors to connector group below one.
Logical group. He already made it, right?
Yes, below one. Just one step back and
This, right?
yeah, right.
New entry. Okay. तो इसमें कनेक्शन टाइप नहीं देना देना है
वो दे सकते हैं ऐसे भी
देना पड़ेगा ना सर
देना पड़ेगा वो प्रीवियस स्टेप में दे सकते हैं उसका अभी वो डिजेबल है ना
तो दिस इज असाइंड कनेक्टर ओके ओके डिसेबल
वो ये, कोई
तो
बात
पीछे देना पड़ेगा पीछे
या
यहाँ दिया नहीं
यहाँ पे देना है कनेक्शन टाइप ऐसे भी बोल के सेकंड कॉलम
ओके
थर्ड
कॉलम देना
कॉलम
ओके
इसमें देना थर्ड कॉलम में ऐसे भी या बस
सेव ओके तो यहाँ क्लिक करना पड़ेगा राइट अब connection type SAP right or not
yes connection type is SAP only yeah save कर देना 1 second
okay
ಸೀಕರು ಹೇಳಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅದೇ ಗುರುನಾಥ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಇದು ಆರ್ದು ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಒಂದು ಗುರುವೇರಾರಿಗೆ సన్షైన్ కదా ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్ ఒకటి అడిగారులే ఆర్దో హాస్పిటల్ కావాలి సరే సరే నేను క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను మళ్ళీ చేస్తాను यार
so I did it अच्छा मेरा एक क्वेश्चन ये है कि जैसे हम ये लॉजिकल हम क्यों यूज करते हैं हम ग्रुप में why do you use
see connector see click करो लॉजिकल ग्रुप के बारे में नहीं है yes वो क्लिक करो yes click that logical group see like this is like what you can say like you can group the groups okay, connector groups we can group we can
so let us suppose we have a multiple ECC systems
yes multiple
and we can make a logical group and under that logical group we can put all the connectors
yes
so uska fayda kya hai what is the benefit
like we can segregate connectors without being confusion
हाँ नहीं I understand लेकिन इसके आगे क्या फायदा होगा कुछ फायदा होगा इसका
नहीं just for segregation only that's it
नहीं एक फायदा ये होगा ना सर कि अगर once you do the like in the ARM once you create a user or role
same we can use those connector types we can apply to all that logical
yes so that's the benefit right
yes
instead of giving the one connector you can give the whole connector group
yes
is that true
yes
okay तो ये हो गया ना सर
ये हो गया और
we'll go for connection setting
next connector settings right maintain connection settings
अच्छा सर इसमें एक चीज और है कि जो हमने किया लास्ट में तो अगर हमारे पास लेट अस सपोज मल्टीपल हैं तो उसका हमें ग्रुप बनाना जरूरी है जैसे मैं आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एग्जांपल एंटरप्राइज पोर्टल ओके तो पोर्टल है उसमें मल्टीपल हैं तो उसमें बनाना पड़ेगा कि नहीं बनाना ग्रुप
बनाना पड़ेगा
ओके
क्योंकि वो तो से दैट इज like another application server we can create one group and assign all Java connectors to that group
मतलब उनका ग्रुप बनाना पड़ेगा जी आप कह रहे हैं
yeah
ओके अगर नहीं बनाया तो doesn't
matter see they have given that flexibility
मतलब what is the flexibility
like
as we discussed
you want to like create different connector groups and you can assign to related connectors to that connector group okay? Or you can insert all connectors into same group that doesn't matter
नहीं नहीं सर, वो तो मैं समझ गया।
Yeah.
मैं कह रहा हूँ कि फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी फर्दर क्या है, हमने ग्रुप तो बना दिया, उसका फायदा क्या है?
नहीं वही है flexibility means if you there is a like options they have given SAP has given options.
सर जी मैंने ग्रुप बना दिया,
Yeah.
उसका ऑप्शन मैंने यूज कर लिया, राइट?
Yeah. Yeah.
नाउ आई एम आस्किंग फर्दर, व्हाट इज द बेनिफिट वंस वी मेड द ग्रुप ऑफ दैट, व्हाट विल, व्हाट आई
Directly
कैन,
that you can use that group.
ओके,
So
फॉर
no
व्हाट?
need to go to select connector and all. Directly you can use that group
फॉर व्हाट?
like for any actions. So if you want to assign some kind of actions to all connectors in that group,
या दैट आई वांट टू हियर फ्रॉम यू, ओके, आई गॉट इट।
yeah,
तो ठीक है, अब ये हो गया, अब विल गो फॉर मेंटेन कनेक्शन सेटिंग्स, राइट?
yes,
सो विल डू द ऑल फोर
mm,
authorization management, right?
yes, yeah. So to link with our connector, this integration scenario, okay, we have to link with our connector.
So it is okay, it is required to click on there, right, to go
Not
further.
not not here. Yeah, oh, yes, scenario connector link.
Okay, okay, that's it.
Yes, yes.
No need to go there. Okay, it's done, right?
Yeah, done.
We can go like that. Again, we have to do for others. What is the benefit of doing this?
Like integration scenario means, say for example, if you want to run risk analysis,
Uh-huh.
so here we are saying that so to
For
run
these
risk
connectors,
analysis,
you can
choose
do that.
this connector.
Okay, if you don't put, then you can do the risk analysis and other
Yes, yes.
services. Okay,
Like if we have different connectors like ECC development, quality, production.
mm-hmm.
Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
we assign this role management to development connector. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
We assign authorization risk analysis for production connector. For
Right.
that.
Good. ठीक है।
Yeah, yes, click करो. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay. So this connection setting is done.
Yeah, yeah. This is done. Then go to access control.
Then we have to go to mapping also, right?
Where?
Access control.
Yes, yes, access control.
Okay.
So these things we have to do, like maintain configuration settings, maintain connector settings.
Oh, okay. So we have to do here, or is it by default it is there?
Yeah, yeah.
Is it by default there?
Yeah, yeah, by default there.
So we don't need to do anything here right now, right?
No, like say for example, if you want to make some changes, you can change.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Next.
Yeah. Then go to maintain connector settings. Yes.
Okay.
This is like go to new entries and define our connector environment is production.
Okay. 1 second.
Go to new entries.
Okay. Right. Okay. PSS will not do it.
Yeah.
Okay. Done, right?
Yeah, done.
से इसका मतलब ही बताते रहो. ये आ नहीं रहा.
No, we have to give our character name.
तो आना चाहिए ना सर.
Close this, close it. Yeah, there you click there, target connector.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, click there. Not giving.
No.
Yeah.
Target connector.
Somewhere.
Yeah. क्या क्या नाम था?
Okay. ECC CLNT 800, right? Yes. 800. Yeah, that is default for action one. No, so why
लेकिन
it is?
yeah, it's not.
No, just cancel it. Cancel it. Click that. Yes. Then go back. Just go back. Now one step back. Again. Again. Go to that main screen.
Okay.
So you done maintain connector settings also, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So then
We
go back.
don't need to, we don't need to do that, right?
No. That is not.
Okay.
Yeah. Now go to maintain mapping for actions and connector groups. Okay, we have. Okay,
Uh,
select that. No, select that.
yeah. Might be we didn't select it.
Assign default connector to group. Yes. Now go to new entries. Why?
No, I think my mistake. One sec. Okay, let's do that. Action role generation. Not okay.
That is disabled.
Yeah.
So why you are doing this such a fast, slowly?
Acha. Okay.
Yes. Now click. Yeah. Now go to new entries. Yes, slowly select. Why that much worry?
No, that's fine. Okay.
Select action one. Yes, target connector
Some issue is there.
is not coming. Okay, close it. You type that name here.
I'm going back. This is fine, right? SCP-R3LG.
Yes, yes, that is fine.
Okay. Default connector. New entry.
Trace.
Let's do without this first.
No. We have to first select a group.
Yeah.
In the group, for that group, we have assigned that, right? Already.
Yeah.
It should be visible
Do you
on.
want me to check it?
Yeah, go and check back. No.
Okay, an integration framework, right?
Integration. Yeah, maintain connectors, connect types.
SCP
Define.
define connect.
Okay.
This is ECC client, this, right? Then define connector group. This SCP-R3LG,
Assign
right?
connectors to connector groups below.
Logical. Oh,
Yeah,
shoot.
see.
Really?
Here we didn't connect that.
Oh, we did not. How come?
We might have forgot in our
Yeah.
running.
Yes, you're right.
Yes,
Running is always
I think
issue.
you might not save that.
Yeah, might be. You are right. Why is taking so much time?
थोड़ा थोड़ा रेस्ट दे
Slow.
दो उसको.
नहीं नहीं ठीक है यू
वो
राइट राइट
वो
पैकेज
वो एप्लीकेशन है ना वो आपका जैसा उतना तेज नहीं है. आप तो इंस्टा तो दौड़ रहा. वो थोड़ा
नहीं
बुढ़ा
नहीं
हो
सर
गया.
ये नहीं
थोड़ा
नहीं
टाइम
सर
दे
जी
दो उसको.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं कुछ भी मुझे थोड़ा ना टेंशन हो रखी है और कोई बात नहीं
क्यूट क्यूट.
है ये तो कमाल है इसको हम बंद करते हैं
Yeah.
राइट समथिंग इज देयर
Yes, yes, sometimes no, it's application.
लेट मी स्टॉप ट्रांजैक्शन
Yeah, yes.
क्या पता सर्वर पीछे से कुछ कर रहे हो इट कुड बी पॉसिबल आई थिंक वी कैन डू एनीथिंग यस close not taking right let's go
Due to
down
some
yeah they
low
might be doing something stock
processors.
which one no which one is it this new entry
Yeah, new entries.
and task okay this is ECC closing it yes BRC okay वो गायब हो गया दूसरा ECC गायब हो गया that's fine
Oh, वो भी गया. ठीक है जगन.
okay
common component. आएगा एंटर करो आ जाएगा प्रॉब्लम. Yeah. Yes. Triple 02. Yes. Yes.
तो सर जी जो ये हमने किया है
Yeah.
इसका क्या यूज है?
Yeah. You are saying that in that connector group, okay,
हम्म
for the action one, okay.
हम्म
So this connector is going to be default for the
This
action.
is used for the risk analysis.
Yes. Action one for role generation, action two for
Okay.
they
So
have.
by default, these connector will appear over there, right? Yes.
Yes.
तो
See,
इसमें group.
you can assign multiple characters to same group. Okay.
Yeah.
So, but if you are running for if you are doing for risk analysis, this group selects
default
the
will appear.
target character by default.
Yeah, it will appear over there in the risk analysis form.
Yes. By default, it
Okay.
will come there.
Okay. So this all saved. Now we don't have to go for the field map, right?
No.
Okay. Okay. So this is done. Our
Yeah.
okay.
Now go to synchronization jobs.
Okay. तो इसमें सर okay. Oh, sorry.
No. Yes. Oh, months. Yes.
Should I background or?
Yeah, like you can do on foreground also. If you do foreground, like we have to wait.
Yeah, that's a mistake.
Yeah.
Okay. So, as I asked you before, that is there any relationship between authorization sync and repository object sync? I mean, can we do parallelly, or we have to first finish this?
Let's say, see, we have to sync backend system data with GRC. Okay? Like while running risk analysis, the data should be available at NWBC level. Okay, all backend system like transactions, objects. Okay.
So basically, authorization sync is what is the main focus? I mean,
SU24 data.
SU24. Okay.
SU24 data will be synced with GRC. GRC means with NWBC.
Yeah, yeah.
And then another sync job that sync with backend system, roles, profiles, and users. Okay. So then only like while
अच्छा.
running analysis,
हाँ.
okay. So it should have all the data, no? See, against that data, backend system data only, we will run risk analysis.
Nee, one second. One question is actually
Yeah.
I just want to go into depth further. One more statement. Thing is, let us suppose if I do the repository object sync, okay, I get all the user profile rules come to our NWBC, but we don't run authorization sync. So what will happen
Authorization sync. See,
if it?
if we
Yeah.
don't authorization sync, how can system identify what are the T codes, what are the
Oh,
conflicting T codes?
okay. So you're saying all the T codes come from the authorization sync.
Yes, yes,
Okay. Oh yeah, you're right. So because authorization SU24 has this
yes,
all
yes,
T codes. Okay.
yes.
Yeah, got it. Okay. And in scenario where we don't have to run the risk analysis,
Yeah.
let us suppose I'm saying portal.
Okay.
For the portal, we don't have to run risk analysis. So on that scenario, still we have to have authorization sync or
Yes, authorization sync.
no? I mean, we need only the repository object sync so that we can get the user roles, everything
Yes,
from
yes.
here.
Yeah, yeah.
But my question is authorization sync is still required or not? No, right?
No, no. See here, do you sync for this connector only? That means for this system only.
नहीं वो तो मैं समझ गया. I
Yeah.
understand कि ECC है, we have to run the risk analysis, all the T code will come from there
Yes, yes.
and we'll do that. But my question is portal में there's no T codes,
Yes, yes.
right?
Yes.
And we need a repository object sync, no
Yes,
doubt.
yes. Yes.
But my question is, do we need authorization sync over there if we don't want to run the risk analysis?
No, 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 not required. There is
Not required,
no.
right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. And we run the risk analysis on the basis of the risk defined in the over there, right?
Yes.
Okay, I got it. Because portal का तो कुछ होता ही नहीं ना risk वगैरह. I mean to say कि
Yes, yes. Yes.
no, there's no definition, no defined
Yes.
risks.
Exactly.
Okay. अब ये गलती कर दी हमने ये करके ना. But I think both are independent, right? So why not we run another one too,
Yeah, we can create one more
another
session.
session. Yeah.
Client.
Continue this without ending another one, right?
Yeah.
Program. As
Yes.
given background,
Yes.
right?
Background. Yes.
Okay.
Give that output device in LP01.
ये देना जरूरी है.
Then
What is the use of this?
For background
Permitted.
job, it saves that what you can say report.
Spool.
Save.
Yeah, so it is running, right? If we see SM36,
No, 37.
एक्टिव। ओके, तो सर जी मुझे ये बताओ ना कि
Yeah.
टेबल्स अब इसमें जो चल रहा है वो
Yeah.
टेबल में अपीयर होगा, राइट?
Yes, yes.
C16.
So GRAC star GRAC star user GRAC user act
जैसे यूजर
user star then.
यूजर टेबल।
Yes. So this is one table. Okay. All users will be saved into this table. Okay.
Okay, so all the data is coming here, right?
Yes, yes.
Different. Okay, it's not coming because user just started.
Yeah. Still it is.
लेकिन
You know.
हम्म। तो जो इनका है ऑथराइजेशन डेटा का,
वो भी देखो GRAC एक्ट देखो एक्शन और एक्ट वो GRAC सम ACT remove that U GRAC yeah GRAC action yes. Yeah. So I think
ओके,
that
लॉस
job is done.
सॉरी, व्हाट इज डन?
And give in caps S0.
ओह अच्छा, तो ऐसे 01 तो है नहीं।
That is the like one ID will be created in system.
नहीं, बट इट्स नॉट शोइंग हियर, राइट?
If you give that action ID,
या
code will be displayed.
या ओके
GRAC role table also same. If you
ओके
give that a role ID, it will be displayed role name. GRAC permission. GRAC permission.
रोल तो अभी आएगा नहीं है ना?
रोल नहीं आया होगा आ गया ओके
नहीं
अच्छा टेबल आया नहीं आया
नहीं आया। It's going on.
still
Okay,
active
yeah, still going on. Permission? So what?
permission yeah well then permission field
Permission field. ओके, तो सर जी आप एक कुछ बता रहे थे उस दिन ऑन दैट डे,
yeah
you are telling some table name z permission something, you said if it is not there it means risk is not there, something you
yeah
are
yeah
saying.
violations so that is GRAC user GRAC user ACTVL VL. Yeah, first one.
User action violation table.
Yes, violation.
What does it do?
It stores all violations, T code level violations.
नहीं है सर.
नहीं है वो we haven't generated that S4.
Oh, अच्छा अच्छा. Okay. Okay. Once we generate, then we'll find it, right?
Yes. One more table is PRMVL. Those stores permission violations.
Okay. Rule generate. After rule generate, we'll get this thing, right?
Yes, yes, then only.
One second. Oh, what is second name?
Next, this table risk analysis will be executed.
No, I didn't get it. This table is?
This table stores all T code violations, action level violations.
It says
Okay.
action level.
Yes, action level, T code level. If you run risk analysis at T code action level, okay.
T code level, what?
If you run risk
Violation.
analysis at action level,
Okay.
okay, that means at T code level, system runs the risk analysis against this table.
Okay.
Okay, this table contains T code violations.
T code violations.
Yes,
Okay.
that means action violations.
Okay.
So against this table only, like it displays the values, like our result. Violations will be displayed after running risk analysis. Okay.
एक मिनट, once we generate the SOT rule set, then
Yeah.
automatically the things will populate in this table.
Yes, yes.
Is that okay? So I think I will understand better once we do that. Okay.
Yeah.
So next is, which is the next table?
Yeah. After running this, we have to
The second table.
synchronization job again. We have to.
No. I'm talking about the second table you're telling about.
Yeah. PRM user PRM permission PRM VL. Yes, PRM VL. Violation VL. Yes.
बहुत टाइम ले रहा है ये. Okay, because going on. So it is not linked to whatever we run it. It's the before the running. Once we generate SOT, it should populate.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So if you want to run risk analysis,
this is the main database, a master database for
yes,
risk analysis.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. So it is a permission level, means it is like
Object.
action is T code, permission is authorization object.
Yes.
Okay. So now,
see, go to SM50 and check how many background workflows are there.
I don't know whether it's running or not. Okay, which one? SM37?
SM50 50.
Is it running?
It is only 3. One work process executing. Okay, user sync. Okay, second. Oh, it is on hold. Okay.
Which one? Oh, why hold?
No, it is being processed, no? Refresh it.
Why it is holding? Oh, you're processing, that's why. Okay. So is that right behavior?
Click that RFC response.
1 second. Okay. Click the RFC
So
response.
both jobs are running. Mhm.
Let's see if we're getting the data or not. So it's still running. It shouldn't be on hold, right? On hold means it's not working.
Yeah, slowly it is unable to fetch the data. See that also
Okay.
running, no?
No, one is running, but it's not running. On hold is not running. On hold means it's on hold.
Yes, yes. It is something happening in RFC connection. RFC response is
Means not working, right?
Mhm.
Is not working.
Yeah, not working.
SC16 GRAC user. If it comes, oh, yeah, it's working. So it's good.
Yeah.
At least, right? It's working. It's good. Yes.
Yeah, working.
Okay, that's good.
But it is extracting data very slowly,
Yeah,
RFC.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So one is a role, right? Oh, first user, then role, then blah blah blah.
Yeah.
Right? It will
Yes.
take much time. I guess it will take 1 hour.
Yes.
ठीक है सर फिर तो we can we do further anything or
Now after this, these jobs, schedule one more job for uh, schedule for this roles profiles. Okay.
you mean action usage, role usage?
Repository object sync. No, you have to schedule one more job as a periodic job for that
Which one?
incremental sync.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. वो तो we don't need that ना right now because it is not a real time
Right now we
project.
don't need.
Yeah, yeah, right. And उसके बाद फिर after that we'll run the SOD rules or
Yes, yes. After
we
the
can
jobs, we execute that SOD
or
rules.
we can do right now.
Yeah.
We cannot do right now.
No. See, already system is
Slow.
flying. No, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And okay. And on that side, on ECC side, when we need a change, I need to say
Tomorrow we'll do like settings.
okay.
Okay. And
There is a one setting over there, right?
yes. Connectors
Okay.
only.
Okay. ठीक है तो सर कल जल्दी कर लेंगे आप टुडे
Yeah, कल
सैटरडे
मैं free रहता हूँ.
what time you are free
At evening
early
only. Evening.
yeah evening yes evening what time
Yes. Okay. Is this time okay for you?
जल्दी कर लो तो बेटर है
Okay then 7 or 6.
या 6 is good
Okay then. Okay. I
तो
will.
सर जी आप कल कर सकते हैं 2 hours
Yeah.
ठीक है तो 6 ओके सो 6 मिलते हैं फिर
Yeah.
ओके सर ओ
Yeah.
ये तो हो गया दिस इज डन
Yeah. This is done.
ओके सो 1 सेकेंड इसको मैं बंद कर रहा हूँ ओके सो दिस इज what was that it is authorization okay this is authorized sync is done right
Yes.
and this is I'm just seeing
That is
refresh
still active only.
okay they're still going on right okay ठीक है so once it is done
Yeah.
so then we'll go further okay
Okay then.
so tomorrow we'll meet at 6 o'clock
Yes.
okay bye
Yeah. Bye. I will
thank you
send you this recording. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
एंड अच्छा, अगर आप बंद करते हैं तो ये तो बंद नहीं होगा ना, बिकॉज इन द बैकग्राउंड, राइट?
नहीं, वो बंद नहीं हो जाएगा, वो तो बैकग्राउंड में चल रहा है ना।
ओके, ठीक है, ओके सर, बाय।
ओके।